Hi, this is Hans from Petted. This is our dog Stacey, and this is a question I get asked most days of my life. What does pet insurance cost? The cost of pet insurance is a tricky one to answer actually. It's not like buying an Apple computer or something where there's a fixed cost whether you're in New York, Texas or California. The fact is the cost of pet insurance depends on a whole range of factors like your location, your pet's breed and their age. Okay, so first off, location. Why is that so important? Well, when you get a free pet insurance quote on petted.com, the first thing you have to enter is your zip code. The reason for this is that the cost of vet bills varies wildly according to where you live, so insurance companies need to know your location so they can price accordingly. To give you an example, we phoned 2 vets to get a quote for the cost of a hip operation for a dog, one in San Francisco and one in Huron, South Dakota. Now, the bill in San Francisco was $7,698, while the bill in South Dakota was $3,466. Secondly, why is breed important? Well, insurers need to know what breed your dog is because while some breeds like, say, poodles and beagles aren't renowned for health issues, we know that other breeds are susceptible to particular conditions, and your insurer needs to know that. For example, bulldogs and French bulldogs are known to suffer from breathing issues. German shepherds and some other large breeds can suffer from hip dysplasia. Lots of toy breeds like Shih Tzus can be prone to luxating patellas. Dachshunds have long backs and can therefore suffer from spinal issues. The list goes on, but that's why it's important your insurance company knows your dog's breed. And then of course there's your pet's age. This is another thing that's important. Now, obviously a puppy would statistically be much lower risk for health issues than a dog that's say 10 years old. So it's also perfectly reasonable that your insurance company knows how old your dog or cat is. So what does all that mean? Well, a good rule of thumb is that pet insurance will be more expensive the older your pet is, and if you live in a big city. So put simply, it's going to be a lot cheaper to insure a 10-week-old poodle puppy in South Dakota than it would be to insure a 10-year-old French bulldog in San Francisco. Just to give you an idea of that, we ran some quotes through petted.com and the monthly premium for the poodle puppy in South Dakota is $38.20 per month for $5,000 of annual coverage with Spot Pet Insurance. While for the same plan with the same insurer, the 10-year-old French bulldog in San Francisco will cost you $153.86 a month. Typically speaking though, you can get a decent pet insurance policy for about $45 a month for dogs and as little as $28 a month for cats.